Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Mistake Art. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to make a poster on personal hygiene. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, we will take white chart paper and make the border using scale and a pencil. Then using a black pen, we will draw this tape like thing on the borders, which will make it look like we have pasted another poster on the paper. Color it using a brush pen or sketch pen, and then draw rest of the border using sketch pen. So the border of our poster is ready. Now we will make the drawings of the personal hygiene on a white paper using pencil. I got all these drawings from Google. In case you don't find them, you can take a screenshot of this drawing. After that, outline it with black pen or marker and color them using brush pens or sketch pens. You can also use crayons or pencil colors. After coloring them, we will cut them out like stickers. Pink colored craft paper. Using a rough sheet, draw a circle and cut it out. Fold the circle 3 times and cut it into a flower to get a flower like this. Fold the craft paper into half and place the paper flower on it. Trace it and cut it out. You have to keep one petal of the flower like this so that your flower will open. Now make 8 more such flowers. In total we will need 9 flowers. And then we will paste each drawing on each of the flower. Then using a pen or a sketch pen, you can write the sentence related to the picture inside these flowers like this. I have written it very roughly because I just had to shoot this video. Now we will assemble these flowers and paste them on the chart paper. Then we will draw the stems using a green brush pen or a sketch pen. But before I am drawing it with pencil so I don't mess it over. Also, you can draw some leaves if you want to, and please excuse my head because this chart was too big. After that, cut 2 leaves out of green colored craft paper and paste them like this. Then I am writing personal and hygiene on each of the leaf using a brush pen. And our personal hygiene poster is ready. I have made this poster in very less time because a subscriber had requested me to make it. So please don't mind if I had made any mistakes in it. Also, you can fold this chart paper very easily to carry it to your school. So do let me know in the comment section if you like this idea. Please don't forget to like and share this video to help me. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to it for more such videos. Also, you can drop your request in the